Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can edit view only and comment only file in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Google Sheets application on my phone. And the first thing we're going to do is selecting a file we want to edit as view only and comment only document. For example, I'm going to go with this file, so we can tap on the three dots button on the file, then tap on manage access right here. And as you can see that my file is still restricted, so only people edit can open with the link. Then we're going to change the access. Click on this option and click on restricted, and you're going to select the anyone with the link. Okay, and now the permission has been updated, and we can change the type of the access. We can tap on this option and you can select viewer, commenter, or editor. And if you want to make your file view only, you can select viewer, so anyone can only view your file. But if you select commenter, it means that anyone can view your file and comment on your file. And for example, I'm going to select commenter, so people can view my file and comment on my file. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit view only and comment only file in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.